Good day, viewers. It's your boy Davis and Dance here once again, bringing to you a new show called Trini How To. So, the question for today is how to make a chicken tractor. Chicken what? Believe it or not, there's a lot of people out there that doesn't know what is that or how to make a chicken tractor. So there is different types of chicken tractors which was made with different materials like board or PVC or metal. Today I would be using PVC. So wait up for this for us. So folks, this 2-inch PVC will be used for the base of the chicken tractor, which will be cut into 5 feet pieces, which will be the length, which will be connected with elbows. Now I will be cutting it into 2 feet pieces, which will also be connected with elbows to make the base. Now that I have both the 2 feet and the 5 feet pieces PVC, I will be now connecting them with elbows. So now I will be making the roof part of the chicken tractor, which will be shaped using half-inch PVC. Now that I have both the 2 feet and 5 feet PVC in the half-inch, now I'll be joining them with elbows. Now that we have both pieces connected, this will be a shape loop. This is more or less what we are looking at. Now this will be covered now. You can know that we have supplied the chicken wire on the tractor movement option. Chicken tractor. So the bag will be put in a little sheet and the chicken will be seated on the ground. Once that is also, and it's easy. Like there you have it, folks. I guess this is how to make a famous chicken tractor. So stay tuned to the next episode of Trini How To.